Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing for Simply Earth. This is their April monthly essential oil recipe box. I also have one of the bonus boxes here. I'm going to show you what's inside here at the end. So if you're new to Simply Earth, every month you get a box full of essential oils that are full size. You get recipes and little DIY projects. It's really fun. I have unboxed a few of these in the past. And if you're interested in joining, I'll put a code below in my link. If you use that and sign up using my code, you get a $20 gift card, which gets emailed to you after your purchase, and you also get one of these big bonus boxes. This will be sent with your first subscription box. So I'm going to put this one aside for a moment so we can see what's in the April box. I love these. These are really fun. I have a playlist with a few of them in there, so I'll link that below. But you get these labels for the little recipes that you make, little stickers for them. Very cool. And here are the recipe cards. Deodorizing disc. We also have an all-purpose cleaning spray. And they're very simple and easy to use and make. This one's a bathroom poo spray. That's hilarious. Dishwasher tablets. Dryer ball recipe. That is really fun. I can't wait to try that one. And then a night-night diffuser blend. Lots of my boxes in the past, especially like my holiday ones, like the Christmas box, the Halloween box, came with some really awesome diffuser blends. Super simple to make and to mix up. And they give you everything you need, which is really handy. So we have some full-size essential oils here. I'm going to show you which ones those are. We have grapefruit, basil. This is a clean and fresh mixture. It says there's fir needle, lemon, grapefruit. Bet that one smells really good. And then we have thyme. And there's another one tucked over here. This is lavender. That's a favorite of mine. Then we have the little dryer balls. That's so awesome. That's probably it in here because the rest of the products are in here, I think. Yep. So the big bonus box will have a bunch of different containers and things you can also use for the recipes. So let's see what's on the card for the dryer balls. You add 2 to 3 drops of the clean and fresh essential oil blend. Allow them to dry for 2 to 5 minutes. You add them to your dryer to help with static, reduce drying time, and to make your clothes smell great without using dryer sheets. I love that. Super excited. So let's take a look what's in here. Oh my gosh. Packed with containers and goodies. So typically if you just have a monthly box and you don't have a big box with it, the bonus box, if there is something for a roll-on or a spray, it will come with these empty containers. You make the recipe and then you can put the little sticker on there so you remember what's inside. Very handy. So let's see, we got a couple spray bottles. Those are pretty good size. We also have tons of these rollerball containers. Looks like we have 6 of those. And I believe this big bonus box has a $50 value. Have to double check, but I'm pretty sure it does. We have a little dropper. I use these when I make beard oil for my husband. They're perfect for that. Some more little containers. We also have some almond oil. Little pump. Some coconut oil. Some beeswax, 100% pure, sulfate free. There's tons of containers in here. This is awesome. Make your own lip gloss. Here's some little containers you can make for or use for your little diffuser blends. Some empty containers. through 10. Some more of the smaller ones. I think there's 6 of these total. Couple more for the chapstick, and the last thing in here is a glass jar. This is awesome. So if you guys are interested in signing up for a subscription, I'll put all the information below in the description box, and I'll also link my playlist at the end of the video and all that good stuff. So thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more. Bye guys.